Hello folks, today I am going to talk about goals. Now when I say goals, everyone has their own, and this holds true even for the Yellow AI platform. There are multiple reasons for which people use the platform. Some use it for automating their customer support queries, while some use the platform for collecting leads. And then there are bots which helps you buy things as well. For a business, it is pretty important to identify what their goals are and keep a close eye on them. And that's the fundamental reason why we build goals. With goals, you can now build any custom goal on the platform, such as user engagement patterns, revenue, custom funnels, very easily within minutes without writing a single line of code. Now, let me give you a quick demo of how it works. You can find goals on the left navigation under the Insights section. This is how the dashboard looks, where all the ongoing and scheduled goals are being shown. Without wasting any time, now let me show you how to build a goal. Creating a goal is a very simple 3-step process. In the first step, you tell what kind of goal you want to build. In the second step, you define what the goal is all about. And in the third step, you can just schedule it. Now, let's create a goal for order tracking. Before actually creating the goal, let me also tell you what these goal types are. So destination is a count type of a goal which can tell you about number of people who are able to successfully check in, number of people who booked a hotel room, number of people who are able to track their order. While on the funnel side, you need to define the steps of the funnel and look at the whole funnel view around how people are moving from step 1 to the last step. Alright, coming back to creating the goal, let's say the name of this goal is track order funnel. Description is funnel type of a goal. Now on the next step, you need to define what are the steps of the funnel. In the order tracking journey that we have, the first step is basically where we ask for mobile number. The second step is essentially the order journey itself, where the person needs to select the category. The third step is essentially a part of the order journey where people need to select the division. In the fourth step, the user needs to select the items. After that, the user selects the quantity. They look at a price estimate, and then the final step is basically confirming the order. We now go here and confirm order is the final step. So now we have added all the steps of the order tracking journey. You can see that this is some use case which spans across 2 different journeys. So we have made use of user details collection journey as well as order journey. Now you can either save this as a draft for future, or you can just go ahead and complete the process of goal creation. Once you have created the goal, you also need to schedule it. It cannot be scheduled for a backdated time. So let's say I will schedule it for 13th January to 31st of January. You can select even a longer date, that's not a problem. And once you create this, a goal is essentially being created over here. So you can see that the track order funnel is being created over here. It takes some time to basically for the funnel to get populated. Let me show you how it actually looks. So once that piece is done, you can click on this piece, look at show funnel, and see how the funnel eventually looks like. So these were the different steps which you configured inside the goal at the time of goal creation. There are 2 things which you can look at here. The first is the number of unique users. So let's say for these steps, you see 1628 unique users went through this process, and finally 402 people made it, which is 24.7% conversion. And you can also look at total number of hits. When you look at total number of hits, there are a total of 8,300 hits, out of which 189 times people actually reached at the end, which was 14.4% conversion. 2 additional capabilities which are present with goals is marking as favorite goal. So you can mark any of the goals as favorite goals, and they will feature at the top of the list. At any point of time, if you want to cancel a goal or you want to deactivate a goal, so there is also an option to deactivate goal. You can just click on deactivate, and this will go away from this list. There is also a filter where you can look at all the past goals. Apart from that, there is also an option to apply the date filter and look at the goals which are in draft.